Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use the DataGridView control in CHash. First, open your CHash Windows Forms project and locate the DataGridView in the toolbox. Drag and drop it onto your form. You can then adjust its size and position. Important properties to set initially include doc to fill the parent container, allow user to add rows to enable new row entry, and read only if you only want to display data without user modification. Populating your data grid view is straightforward. The most common method is data binding. Simply set the data source property to a collection like a list of objects or a data table. Alternatively, you can manually add columns and rows using the columns. Add and rows. Add methods, specifying cell values directly. For database applications, connect a binding source to your query results and assign it to the DataGridView's data source for seamless data display. Customizing your data grid view enhances user experience. You can modify the appearance of cells and headers using properties like default cell style and column headers, default cell style to set fonts, colors, and alignment. To respond to user actions, subscribe to events such as cell click for single clicks or cell value changed when data is edited. For interactive cells, consider adding a data grid view button column or data grid view checkbox column to provide specific actions or toggle states. For advanced functionality, enable sorting by setting allow user to order columns to true and configuring each column's sort mode. Filtering can be achieved by dynamically updating your data source or by applying a filter string to a binding source. When dealing with very large datasets, consider implementing virtual mode. This technique significantly improves performance by loading data only as it's needed, rather than loading all data into memory at once, ensuring a smooth user experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.